That was the phone call which changed everything. It set in motion a chain of events that would add an incredible dynamic to the business. From our humble beginnings in Hammersdale, KwaZulu-Natal, Icebolethu Funerals was set to go international. That's the thing about opportunity. When it knocks, one needs to be ready. And ready we were. The establishment of Icebolethu UK came just 6 years since our South African venture took flight. Let's reflect on those early days for a moment. Founded in 2009 by former educator Nomfundo Mncoi, the business has grown into the largest funeral service in South Africa with over 80 branches. 7 years on, the UK subsidiary stands as a trendsetter in the industry. Laying the foundation for success is among the toughest challenge for any business. One thing we're not short of is the will to succeed. Let's journey through the years together as we celebrate this milestone in the United Kingdom. The first 3 years in the UK presented our team with a unique challenge. 1,000,000 miles from home. Anchored by a strong work ethic and passion, our team set out to lay the building blocks for success. We began operating as an insurance and funeral directing company. Our UK head office in Bank Street in Canary Wharf, London is managed by an experienced team. Led by Snehlanhla Mncoi, our UK wing rounded off its first 3 years in business with a host of awards. Driven by our strong ethics and hard-working mentality, it was now time to challenge the status quo. From South Africa to the world, we knew we needed to expand our offering. Building a network with our brothers and sisters from the SADC region was key. Those relationships have been forged with 16 countries to date. Broadening our horizons allowed us to work with SADC nations and non-policy holders global repatriation services. Imagine an office where we take care of you. Our mantra, dedicated to the care of those we serve, is our driving force. Our repatriation service returns a loved one to their home country with the dignity they deserve. In addition, we also take care of catering, tombstones and burial within the SADC region. As we found our feet in the United Kingdom, we quickly began to build key alliances and partnerships. But just as we were beginning to make waves in the UK, the COVID-19 pandemic brought the world to its knees. In typical Icebolethu fashion, our team rose to the challenge. The passing of UK-based South African social worker Nhlanhla Masondo during the height of COVID's first wave was handled with care by our team. With most international flights grounded, our repatriation service faced a massive hurdle. But our careful planning, networking skills and all-round passion to service rose to the fore. Masondo's remains was returned to South Africa on the 3rd of June 2020. She was laid to rest in a dignified manner in her hometown of KwaMashu a day later. Navigating through the pandemic, our work has developed in leaps and bounds in recent years. At the end of last year, we attained our first international award. Our group CEO, Nomfundo Mncoi, scooped up the International Recognition Award at the Women Appreciating Women Awards in London. Back home, we recently picked up the prestigious Standard Bank Top Business Brand in 2022. In a short space of time, amid the challenges of global business, Icebolethu UK has made tremendous strides. Here's to 7 years of sacrifice and success, and to many more in our first home outside of South Africa.